Hello guys, everyone is at the party. Everyone say hi to the viewers.
Hi! Hey, viewers!
This is JJ Awesome Star's birthday. This is my mom. This is my
And somebody
dad.
just don't walk over the couch.
This
Is missing.
he's missing.
Yeah.
And this is JJ Awesome Star.
Hi! I got my tips blue.
She finished his shrimp.
Her.
Her shrimp. Sorry,
Shrimp roll
that
on?
was the instant.
Yep.
I saw that.
That is okay.
Jordan.
No.
That was JJ Awesome Star's friend.
And
And
we are about to have steak.
we are about to have
British
delicious
party. Woo!
steak.
With the hair. There he is.
The boys are getting excited on that couch over there.
Steak.
Hello. Say hi to my sister.
High five. Okay. I don't really know what to say. Yay, happy birthday to me.
She dyed her hair blue due to her mom.
Alright, birthday party celebrations. Okay.
All right.
Happy birthday to JJ Awesome Star turning 15. Well guys, this is a good time. Ciao.
Ciao.
Everybody say ciao.
Say ciao.
Ciao.